Are you ready for our Pilates twist and crunch workout? This is a really beneficial exercise to slim the waistline, counteract pot belly, but also to strengthen the muscles that support the torso by improving stability and posture. Let's start. You are standing on the mat. Inhale and rotate the shoulders up and forward, then exhale and rotate them down and backward. Go on in this way. Now change the direction of rotation. Lift the arms and bend the torso forward. The arms are close to the ears. Now straighten the legs. Go on in this way. Now stay bent. Bring the arms behind the back, then again close to the ears. Now make small movements with the arms up and down. Straighten the legs, and bring the arms along your sides. Breathe. Sit down, bend the knees and let them fall on the right. Your back is on the mat. Cross the fingers on the back of the head. Inhale, exhale and raise the torso. The head looks towards the navel. The movement shouldn't be fast, but vertebra after vertebra. Stop now with the lifted torso. The arms are stretched forward. Make small stretching movements, as though somebody is pulling your arms. Now stop, and bring the arms behind the head, and again forward. Now change the body side. Here, for you, a sequence that deeply works on the abs, and I thank you for the attention.